Okay, searching for a tire leak. Anyway, here's my method. So, losing, about 10 pounds and then it stops. So it's not a very severe leak. Once I inflated it to about 30 pounds, I was able to soap up the tire, as you can see, and I finally found these little bubbles. That's where the leak is. I did remove the soap to get a better look in there. I reapplied the soap just for the video purposes. I couldn't find it at first, so what I did to rotate the tires was I basically jacked it up. Safety first, I always use a wheel chock. Of course, it's a front wheel drive, so in order to rotate the tire, I had to put it in neutral. So that's where it sits right now, in neutral. I have a tire repair kit. I'm going to dig in there, find out exactly what it is, and use a plug and plug the hole so this issue will not present a problem before I get the new tires in a couple days. The idea here is to basically expand my knowledge and my know-how and share my experience with what I know to do, so somebody can watch this later. If they have a question, they can get some answers from this in-home garage guy. All right, continuing on, this is a tire patch kit that I had purchased some time ago. I keep these on hand for incidences like this. In this package, you can see it comes with a pair of tools. It comes with a plug placement and a reaming tool. That is the reaming tool. And I showed you earlier where that issue is. I don't see any metallic object. I don't know how or what caused this to happen, but it appears to be a puncture. Hopefully it's all it is and not a rip. So you take the reaming tool, and this is where it gets a little tricky. You basically have to ream out the hole using this so it will accept the plug. It's a little difficult. I will need to use two hands. I will continue in a minute. Okay, I started the reaming tool. Now I'm going to attempt to do this with one hand. So it's basically, as you can see, it's spiraled. By turning it clockwise, it will enter the hole. As you can see, it is. You will lose air, not a problem, because I have a compressor to pump it up. If you don't, well, you have to try other means, like perhaps take the tire off the car, or hopefully you won't lose too much air where you can plug it in time and get to the gas station and fill it up with the proper air pressure. All right, so I'm reaming and I'm pulling and prying and turning it back and forth, enlarging that hole to accept the plug. That comes with that kit. It's not like hot butter in a knife. All right, there. Quite a bit of effort. Okay, as you can see, I'm losing air. So quickly, I should have had this ready. I want to take one of these plugs. Slide it through the inserter, like so. Now this inserter, you can't see because I'm trying to do this again with one hand. It'd be nice if I had a little tripod set up. So, through the inserter, and as you can see, there's a space there, so when you pull it out, it should pull out through the split that you can see in the inserter. Alright, So next thing is rubber cement. I hope it's not dry. This is not that old. And I will, in this case, apply it liberally. Find the hole. And insert as such. Now, with the rubber cement, hopefully it's lubricated enough. You don't have to go all the way in. You can have the cord showing. I'll show you how to take care of that momentarily. Again, I think I need 2 hands or better leverage here. Wonderful. That is almost finished. Now, next thing, what do you do with the extra? Simply cut it off. And let me find some special tools for special cutting of special items, like this case that's really special. Wonderful. Here, side, well, wire cutters. I won't call them what is not politically correct. It starts with a D, ends in an E. There's a K and an I in it too. Okay, I use my cutters to cut the extra off. I don't hear any air, so we should have a good seal. Of course, I don't have all the pressure in it. A little soap. I don't see any bubbles. I would call this a successful tire plug. Enjoy the video.